Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Y'all, the phone numbers in the description box below, call those numbers. All you gotta do is just click on show more and the description box will pop open. The phone numbers are in there. Call those numbers, let your voices be heard, bombard them every day with phone calls. Let them know what we need, and that's a stimulus check, and we need it like yesterday. We've had enough of them dragging their feet. Y'all, you know I have always said that I feel confident in the $2,000 stimulus check. Well, now I feel even more confident that it might be even better than a $2,000 stimulus check. And I've noticed now that other YouTubers that's doing these type of videos that was saying it's not going to happen, now they're on board. Most of them are saying, yeah, they're looking for a $2,000 stimulus check too. So I said it all along. If y'all didn't see yesterday's video, please go back and see it. There's a lot of good news in that one too. But this video today is just chock full of good news. I mean, a lot of good things are starting to happen. Like Peter Navarro, the White House trade advisor. He said he's looking for a 2,000, maybe even better, $1 trillion package. And we all know Trump has already said a $2 trillion package is what he's looking for. Nancy Pelosi wants 3. We know that won't happen. It's just too much pork in that. Mooch McConnell is wanting a $1,000 package. That's not enough to do anything. But Peter Navarro, President Donald Trump, and several others are looking for a $2 trillion, even more package. And if the White House is saying this publicly, that means it's probably already a done deal. They've been working on it behind the scenes. Now, the Senate says they're not going to be working on the package until after their July break, and they will work on it after that. So I think behind the scenes they're already working on it. They just don't want anything to leak out until they're ready. It looks like the HEROES Act will be the one they go with. They're going to just change it up a little bit. It would be faster and easier to go with that because it's probably the best bill we can get other than them making one, and we know Mooch McConnell ain't going to have a good package for us. It's sort of like when your boss calls a meeting and he's telling you all of these new ideas that he's got for the company or new rules for the company that he's thinking about. Well, once your boss calls a meeting, you know his mind is already made up. He's just softening the blow for you. His mind's made up. He don't care what you say. Well, this is the same thing I feel the Senate is doing to us. So I think it's a done deal. They just need to get it on paper and get it signed and sent back to the House. Peter Navarro is also saying all of this needs to be done before the August Senate break. So you see, there is people out there fighting for us. We just have to look harder to find them. They're out there. Larry Kudlow said he still thinks we'll see a V-shaped recovery. I say pretty fat chance of that until they get that $2,000, maybe even more stimulus check out to the people. Without a $2,000 stimulus check to the people so they can spend money, a V-shaped recovery just will not happen. There is no way it can happen. People don't have the money to spend, and it takes people spending money to make that V-shaped recovery. Y'all, it's looking good. It's looking a lot better for us. We still got to wait, though. But I think everything that needs to be done is done. They just have to quit dragging their feet, get the paperwork done, and sent back over to the House so they can vote on it again and then send it back to President Donald Trump for his signature. We know President Trump is going to sign off on a new stimulus package. He's already said it. So once the Senate gets through playing their little wait and see game, we should be on the road. Like I said, I believe it will be a modified version of the HEROES Act. And I believe the work is already done. They're just sitting on it because they don't want to go back on their word that's saying that they're not going to work on it until the 21st. So they're going to make us suffer. They're going to make people lose their homes. They're going to make people get kicked out in the street. They're going to make more people lose their jobs. And right now, a real strong chance of them losing their unemployment boost. So it's just another sign that the Senate don't care. They're being forced into this stimulus package. The bad news, we still have to wait and see. We still have to wait for Mooch McConnell to quit playing his political games. I believe he knows that his days are numbered in office, so therefore he just don't care. I got this down on the bad news side, but it's not really bad news. It's probably good news for all of us. Come November, Mooch McConnell will be out of office. He will be voted out. This Charles Booker is looking better and better every day. Of course, he's got some past. They all got past. They're all human. But I think Charles Booker is the one to unseat Mooch McConnell. Y'all, another stimulus check is coming. It's just a matter of when. And how much will it be? I believe it's going to be at least $2,000. Will it be a monthly check? God only knows. We'll just have to wait and see on that. A monthly check is what's needed. One time will help, but it's not going to help a lot. A massive stimulus package is coming. We know that. Because again, Nancy Pelosi wanted $3 trillion. Mooch McConnell wanted $1 trillion. And now President Trump and Navarro is both saying at least a $2 trillion package, maybe more. So a massive stimulus package is coming. Now, timeline. We know it's going to be September before we get it. Probably the middle of September. So, what does that do? That gets us closer to the election date. They think by waiting that long, we're going to be all happy with them and they're going to be able to retain their job. I don't think that's happening. I think a lot of the senators are going to be gone. But look at it this way too. If we don't get a stimulus check until then, that's closer to the holiday season. People spending money for Thanksgiving and Christmas, what better way to boost the economy than get out there and spend that money? Now, I know people needs it right now to pay their bills and stuff, but come on, how many people lets Christmas pass? So a lot of that money will be spent for Christmas. That will really put a shot in the arm of the economy. That will boost it up big time. That's just the way I see it. I may be wrong. I know a lot of people out there are really hurting and they're still not going to have a good Christmas. I'm going to probably let Christmas pass by this year because I feel like Christmas is in my heart. It's not under the Christmas tree. Y'all, keep your chins up. It's looking better. As you noticed, yesterday's video was full of good news. Today's video is nothing but good news. So it is getting better. We still have to play the wait and see game for Mooch McConnell to be satisfied. But brighter days are coming. We've got through other things. We will get through this too. You just have to keep looking for tomorrow and keep your faith in God. He's the only one that's going to help us right now. Y'all, just know I love you all. I make these videos every day. They come out at 6 a.m. in the morning, every morning. Be sure and check back tomorrow. And if you didn't see yesterday's video, go see that. And just know, I love you all, and I'll see you tomorrow. Ciao.